Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just fitted another Autowatch Ghost 2 on this really lovely 2012 CLS AMG. So how the system works, if someone was to grab this key or clone the key and jump in and try and start it, as soon as they start the vehicle, you'll see what would happen. Okay, let's start the vehicle up. So we're able to start the vehicle, but as soon as we select a gear, vehicle cuts out. Okay, so if I try and start it again, it just won't start. Okay, so now every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, just main ignition on, insert his push sequence. On here we've done something very basic just for video purposes. So 1 2 3 4, we'll get a double flash from the eco light. There you go, and then start the vehicle, and then obviously select a gear. Okay, and the vehicle remains running. Okay, also if the customer wanted to take the car for a service, this is also very straightforward, and the way he would do that is main ignition on, insert his push sequence, so 1 2 3 4, get a double flash from the eco. Okay, and then hit the mute button 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5, and get confirmation by the eco light by 5 flashes. So this now means that obviously it's in value mode. You don't need to disclose the code, and you can start it and move it around, but as long as you don't go over 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes, it will remain in value mode. So let's just start it up now, just to show you. Start the vehicle up, and now select a gear. Vehicle remains running. Okay, when you get the vehicle back and you want to take it out of value mode, just simply ignition on and just insert your push sequence. So we'll do that now. So ignition on, insert your push sequence, double flash, and that's now out of value mode. So and if I now turn it off and leave it for about 10 seconds, then try and start it, you'll see that the immobiliser is once again active. Start the vehicle up and select a gear. There you go, vehicle's cut out. Okay, really clever, really straightforward. Now finally, I'm just going to show you, should you want to change the code, and I'll show you how to do that. So main ignition on, insert your original code, so 1 2 3 4, receive your flash. Okay, now foot on the accelerator all the way to the floor, like so. Insert the code again, 1 2 3 4. Then you'll start getting the eco light starting to flash. Once it continuously flashes, let go of the accelerator and go through your push sequence. So on here, I'm just going to change it, say to 1 2 3 4. I'll get 3 flashes, and then repeat that new code again. So 1 2 3 4, and if it's correct, I should get 2 flashes. If it's incorrect, I'll get 4. There you go, new code has now been learned. So if I now give it 10 seconds, we'll try the old code and then try the new code. So ignition on, old code, 1 2 3 4. No eco light flashing, incorrect code. So ignition on again, and now try the new code. There you go, double flash, and we can start the vehicle. Select a gear. Okay, select a gear. Vehicle now running. As I said, this is the Autowatch Ghost 2 fitted to CLS 2012 AMG. My name is Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.